What's the meaning of base rate? Base rate. Base rate.
Base rate. Base rate. Base rate refers to the statistical likelihood or probability of an event occurring based on past data. In other words, it is the rate at which a particular event happens in a given population over time. For instance, if we want to know the probability of a person contracting a certain disease, we would look at the base rate of that disease in the general population. Base rates are essential in fields like finance, economics, and psychology, where they help inform decision-making processes. It is important to take into account the base rate when analyzing patterns and trends, as neglecting it can lead to incorrect conclusions.